Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube?
We are back with another video.
Been a long time.
Baby.
We've been MIA for a minute.
We have, but we didn't forget about you guys. Never. How could we forget about our number one people?
Totally.
I hate that word.
We ain't never forget about you guys. But let's jump right into this video.
Yeah, so tell them what we're making today. You forgot? So I'll tell you guys what we're making today.
Wait. I remember.
So we want to make it today.
You tell them what we're making today.
Okay.
Tell them what we're making today, boo. What are we making?
So we are making the drum roll. Go ahead. What happened? I thought you was drum rolling for, the grand.
What do you think this is? A marching band?
Oh, I got excited. Well, it is
All that twirling and thing?
Yeah.
All right, so tell them what we're making today, since I'm a gentleman and I want you to tell them.
Thank you. So we're making homemade mozzarella sticks, but not just any mozzarella sticks. We are making it in the. That was your cue. In the.
Cut. Hold on, where's my script? I need a script.
You're fired. And we just came back, dog. We just came back.
We are making it in the
Air fryer, guys.
air fry. I knew that. I knew that. I was gonna say that. I want to see if you knew that.
Yeah. The next time we give you guys a video, we're gonna have the script up there for him.
Hold on, is that the prompter in the back? So guys, when we come back, wait, no, that's not what it say.
You're the worst.
Wait, hold on.
Why you didn't bring your glasses? You wanna borrow mine on my head?
Yeah, come.
Got you.
Come. Oh God, I can't see a dot. What the mother? Oh, nah, bro.
Yeah.
Dog. How you see with them things?
I need these things to see.
Yo, you could start a fire with them things. I can't see nothing.
You trying to play me?
All right, so guys, when we come back, it's about to go down.
Like we said, we're jumping right into this meal. All right, so I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to make mozzarella sticks in an air fryer. All right, so we have a scrambled egg, all-purpose flour, and Italian breadcrumb right here. And of course you need mozzarella cheese for mozzarella sticks, right? So a nice fresh block you gotta get. Chop it up. In our flour, we're gonna put garlic and onion blend, a little bit of black pepper, nothing crazy. Our breadcrumb, some parsley, some marinara later for dipping, and you're gonna need some pan spray, all right, for the air fryer, okay? These are all the ingredients you need, so watch this.
Chefs and chefettes. So we cut up the mozzarella sticks into little rectangles. See that? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna coat your mozzarella sticks in your egg mixture. Get it nice and covered. Can you see me?
I could see you.
Then you're gonna roll it in your flour. Y'all paying attention?
We're paying attention.
I'm gonna throw it back in the egg one more time. And then I'm gonna roll it in your breadcrumbs. That's it, very simple. That's one bad boy right there. So egg, flour, Egg again. Breadcrumbs. See that, guys? Oh, I forgot to tell you. In our flour, we added our onion, garlic, and our black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Not too much salt. You know we don't like too much salt. You could get high cholesterol in your mother country. All right, guys? So I did 2. We're going to continue doing that. Once we continue coating all your mozzarella sticks, you're going to put it in the freeze for 30 minutes to an hour. All right, I'm going to show you the next step.
Chefettes. So our mozzarella sticks are out of the freezer, and we're gonna throw them in the into the air fryer. I'm not saying deep fryer, air fryer. Guys, let me let you know. After the 30 minutes that we put it in the freezer, the first time we took it back out. We repeated the first step, so we did all the dipping. We put it back in the freezer, and it's out. All right. So this is what it looks like.
What'd you dip it in?
We dipped it in the egg and the flour and the breadcrumb.
Right on.
Yes. So this is what it looks like. See, it's fatter and it's still frozen. All right. So before it defrosts, we're gonna throw these bad boys in here after we spray it with some. What's this, boo?
You tell us.
Non-stick cooking spray.
Oh, I thought it was Pam.
No, this is not pan spray. This is from like, you know.
You killed the
Dollar
joke.
General.
You killed the joke. Kill the damn joke.
All right, guys. So let's spray the bottom of this. And we're gonna throw these in here. Make sure they not stuck together. Give them some space. At 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, you see this?
We see it.
That looks good. Make sure I put this on. Right? It's about to come out though. Make sure you pay attention. Hey guys.
What's up? Back with the finished product.
Back with the banging product. I didn't taste it.
Taste what?
The mozzarella sticks.
What mozzarella sticks?
The ones we cooked.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You ate it?
Ate them all.
Daddy.
All right, let's show them what we working with, guys. Look at these. What are you doing? What?
I just have to taste a little bit. A little bit.
But I didn't even get to do the
All right.
selfie.
All right, do
No,
it.
it's thumbnail.
Thumbnail. But you can't see it. Can you put it up?
Oh, my bad. Let's try that again.
All right, try it again.
Thumbnail.
Ooh, we cute. You know y'all play me, yo. I have to taste it. Sorry, I'm sorry. I just can't. I can't. You see that sauce?
Guys, air fryer mozzarella sticks. Bro, put your glasses on.
Oh my God, it's so good.
I think your eye broke.
Oh my God, this right here, it's banging. Look at that cheese though.
You gonna feed me?
Yeah, of course, honey. So good, right?
That's it. Oh damn! You know these.
That's crazy. You're gonna have to get your own because now you're eating my mozzarella stick dog. Like, oh! You almost hit my finger.
Guys, that's it. Make these air fryer.
Don't double your mouth, boo. Guys, make these air fryer videos. Oh, I got something on my lip. It doesn't take long.
Air fryer video.
Oh, sorry. Oh, because you ate it, so I'm discombobulated. These mozzarella air fryer.
Man, you good.
Let me just get my stuff.
Guys,
Make this thing right here.
get out of here. Guys, make these air fried mozzarella sticks. That's it, guys. And
We are out.